Is affiliate marketing dead in 2025? Well, if you ask some YouTubers, they will say yes. And if you ask regular everyday people, probably they will say yes. But if you ask some of my paid clients and students, they'll probably send you this screenshot with some of their earnings on a daily basis. And most of my students are earning from 100 to 200 bucks a day, to some even earning thousands of dollars on a daily basis. In other words, not only affiliate marketing is not dead, but is more lucrative than ever before, and this is because there are less competition. In today's video, I'm going to share with you one of the strategies that I actually show my paid clients on how they can become successful with affiliate marketing and earn a lot of money. I'm going to show you 3 stages that will throw some light on how to be successful with affiliate marketing. The first stage is that yes, affiliate marketing has become more difficult in recent years, but that doesn't mean it's not profitable. It means that there are less people promoting affiliate offers. In fact, there are still the same amount of offers, even more offers, affiliate offers on the market out there, but there are less people promoting these offers because it has become more expensive for affiliates to promote affiliate offers with paid media. But that means there are less competition, which is a good thing for us. To make money in 2025 with affiliate marketing, you have to be just a bit more strategic. In front of me, we see ClickBank.com, and probably I'm one of the guys on YouTube that has been on YouTube on ClickBank for more than 13 years. I started on ClickBank back in 2012. So it's been a long journey. ClickBank is an affiliate marketing platform where you can find affiliate offers to promote. Not only that I'm affiliate on ClickBank, but I'm also a offer vendor. An offer vendor means that someone who created affiliate offer, and I'm actually going to show you this offer to you as an exclusive offer that anyone can promote because it's very, very specific, and this is what the offer that I'm about to show you makes the difference between someone making it on ClickBank and affiliate marketing and someone losing it. So once you register on ClickBank, you can go to this place called the marketplace where you can see all your affiliate offers. And right here in the marketplace, I have typed chicken. We have only 2 offers on ClickBank related to chicken. Guess what, guys? The second offer is my offer, Backyard Eggs. And I have actually partnered with some of the greatest vendors on ClickBank to create this offer. The other vendors, my business partners, are $1 million earners on ClickBank as vendors. One more thing, if you like the information so far in this video, please like the video so I can get some more eggs and make a nice omelet. And this offer, this is the commission that pays to affiliates, 41 bucks, meaning if I make a commission or I make a sale, I'm getting paid 41 bucks. And the more sales I make, the more commissions I'm going to be making. But now we're coming to the second stage on how to be successful with affiliate marketing, which is smart strategic categorizing or niching down your offers. Because in order for you to be successful, you need 2 things. You either need to tap into people's desires or into people's fears. And you have to brainstorm with yourself, or you have to brainstorm with Chad GPT. You can actually type into Chad GPT search terms such as what are the biggest fears people might have, and what are the biggest desires people might have here in Chad GPT. And I'm using the voice commands. Hey Chad GPT, what are the people's fears currently in May of 2025 so I can create an affiliate campaign so I could earn affiliate commissions?
Right now, a lot of people are worried about inflation, crime, economic instability, and the potential impacts of AI.
That's amazing. Could you give me some DIY related offers?
Sure, for DIY-related affiliate offers, you might look into platforms like ClickBank, ShareASale, or Amazon Associates.
Okay, but can you give me some categories or niches I could be in or I should pick?
Absolutely. Some DIY niches you could consider are home improvement, woodworking, gardening, crafts, and upcycling. Each of these has a dedicated audience and a range of products you can promote, like tools, materials, or instructional courses.
Which of these niches that you just listed are related to current fears people might experience?
Home improvement and upcycling could be particularly relevant to current fears. With economic instability, people might look for cost-effective ways to improve their homes or repurpose items.
All right, thank you. So, guys, you saw that. I just demonstrated to you real quick how I use ChatGPT. I don't even type to ChatGPT anymore. I just use the voice commands, and the tool is going to sort out all these fears and desires. But to be strategic about them, you have to match a fear or a desire with a current economy or a current period of the year. And here is the kicker for our chicken offer. What I did is I did a lot of research on eggs. Remember, like a couple of months ago, eggs were about $8 to $12 for a dozen eggs in the US, where the previous year they were like $2-3. And I actually did the research, and here from CNBC.com, we can see this graph right here. The prices for the eggs in the US have drastically increased for the past few months. And as we can see, in 2020, this is actually the past few years, 2020, 2016, the price is kind of steady Eddie. But in recent years, 2023 and 2024 and even 2025, this is a huge spike. So what we did, I went on Google Trends and I typed egg price for the past 5 years in the United States, and I could see these two huge spikes. One was in 2012 or 2023, this is 2 years ago, and the other spike was right now in January 2025. So huge spike of this search term eggs price. So I knew there is a search for eggs, or I knew that there is a fear of from people that they would not be able to afford eggs. So that was the fear, not the desire. Desires could be relationship or buying a new car or going on a vacation. Here we have a fear of prices for eggs increasing to such an extent that people will not be able to afford them. I started tapping into the DIY environment. What I mean by that? What is related to egg price? Eggs are expensive. Respectively, people will start looking for alternative ways to get their eggs. And here comes my job. I have to give them eggs. But I'm not an egg supplier. I mean, I don't have chickens. So I had to come up with something out of the box that will supply people with cheap eggs. Something that they would be willing to buy. And what we came up with is this: chicken coop. How to build your own chicken coop and produce your own eggs. The search for chicken coops has been kind of during the summers. As you can see, this is a graph, and every summer we have a spike of people looking to build their own chicken coop. But look at this. This is March of 2025. Huge spike, not even the middle of the summer, okay? So huge spike more than any other period of the years before. Look at this. So we saw huge potential of creating an offer related to chicken coops. And this is where this came up, the affiliate offer called Backyard Eggs. This is a digital offer that allows people or provides people with a guide, step-by-step guides on how to build their own chicken coops. So first, here we're solving a huge problem, egg supply. Secondly, we're gonna give people something to do into the DIY niche. People are gonna build this themselves. And thirdly, it's a digital PDF guide, so we don't have to ship any products to the customers. And fourthly, actually, it's a very good offer for other affiliates because first, like I said, there are less people nowadays promoting affiliate offers. But secondly, this is a very, very niche offer, building a chicken coop. So very few competitors in that niche. And if you click this offer, you can see it redirects you to a VSL video sales letter. You're going to see it. This is the VSL, and here is the product. These are the PDF guides that people will get when they buy this product. But anyways, guys, I'm showing you the example that my business partner and I came up with. But for you, this could be anything. I'm just showing you the way of thinking. Now, how we brainstormed to come up to this conclusion, to this offer. Now, I mean, we created this offer, but we're also promoting similar products, affiliate offers, into the same niche. And I'm just showing you, you can promote this very same offer, not because it's my offer, but because there is a huge potential for anyone out there to earn pretty good commissions. If you don't want to promote this offer, that's fine. This is the way you have to come up with what you need to promote. Think about a specific obstacle or fear people might face today, this month. June, July, in the middle of the summer, maybe something related to travel, to vacation, passport issues, lost luggage. I mean, there are plenty of niches to brainstorm, but that's pretty much how we come up with what we should promote. Going on Google Trends, seeing the current trends, and matching it with current economics. For example, right now, let's try another search term, maybe food price increase. People might be fear food price increase. Let's see if that's the case. Food price increase. Why I'm misspelling everything? Yes, I was right. Well, as you can see here, I mean, there are obviously some dips, peaks and lows, but in the current months, as we can see that it has peaked more than before. So people are actually afraid of prices for food going up. So something related to food or maybe health. And now the final step actually to be successful with affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is to run Facebook ads. And this is because first, Facebook ads will give you much faster results, and second of all, you can change and test stuff much faster. Whereas if you want to go with the organic way, which is creating your own blog or creating your own Facebook group or creating your own community, it's going to take a lot of time to build that, which not necessarily means you're going to fail, but it's going to take you a lot of time to do that. I have friends and myself, actually, I have a blog, I have Pinterest page related to a specific niche, and I grew it from scratch to thousands of members and followers, but it took me a couple of months. Finally, once you find your niche or your offer, then you can use Chad GPT to craft you an ad for Facebook, and it's pretty awesome. I mean, right now I'm using Chad GPT, but I'm also using Sora. Sora is an extension from ChatGPT that allows me to create video ads, because video ads nowadays work much better than image ads on Facebook. And here on Sora, what I can do is actually, I already have an ad related to chicken coop, so I'm actually gonna show it to you. Hold on, let me show you the actual ad that I was running in the beginning to test the chicken offer. So here are some ads that I actually use to for Facebook ads, and we can see I have video ads and I also have these chicken coop plans. These are image ads. These image ads, by the way, I created in Canva. Oops, that's something I'm working on for the Porsche. I'm actually going to show you. By the way, this is not related to the chicken offer, but I'm trying to experiment what kind of sticker is going to match my Porsche. That's my Porsche, by the way. This is a Porsche Macan. So I downloaded this one because tomorrow I'm going, or maybe next week I'm going to the body shop and I'm gonna put these stickers. So I was thinking, is it good with red or kind of gray or black? Where is the black? Here's the black. Let me know, by the way, down in the comments below, which one do you like the most? The one that gets the most amount of likes or thumbs up, I'm gonna put this one. Let's do this as a game. So number 1 is the red one, number 2 is the black one, and number 3 is gray one. Vote in the comments below. The one gets the most votes, I'm gonna put this one on my car. That's pretty cool. Anyway, so despite this, let's go to Canva, and this is how I came up with these ads with the chicken coop. So I'm gonna also show you the video ads, but in Canva you have this thing called Magic Media, and I can click Magic Media, and here I simply, this is an AI, and I simply typed chicken coop plans. That's it. And you can hit, let's fix that, and I can click generate images, and now Canva is going to hopefully generate images for my Facebook ads. This is it. Look at this. Perfect images for my Facebook ads. I told you that Facebook video ads work better than images, but it's always worth split testing. So here it is. That's one of my image. And sometimes what I do, I'll just go on the left side and put some text. So for example, I'm going to click text and I'm going to, let's come up with a good title. For example, this one, and I'm going to say DIY chicken coop, chicken coop plans. There we go. And I'm gonna decrease that, put it somewhere here, and there we go. We have pretty cool ad for Facebook. Now we have other video ads. So here's a video ad. These are some of the image ads that I've created. Actually, you can see them, and this is one pretty cool. Coop DIY chicken coop guides for DIY enthusiasts. But here are my video ads. Look at this. This is a video ad. There you go. This guy is working, assembling his own chicken coop. This guy is assembling his own chicken coop on his balcony, and that's, by the way, from Sora. And in Sora, what I did is I prompted it right here at the bottom. I said to Sora, create me a video with a middle-aged guy on his balcony assembling a chicken coop. that's pretty much it. Let's fix our grammar, and I am gonna click image. Instead of image, I'm gonna click video, and this is the kicker. We need 9 by 16 always, not 2 by 3. 9 by 16, and I'm gonna click generate, and now our video is being generated. Let's see. Oh, and by the way, guys, I forgot to ask you, if you like the information so far in this video, hit the thumbs up, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks related to affiliate marketing, digital marketing, and business overall. And by the way, while this is loading, look at this. All these chicken plans that I just showed you in my folder, this one, I came up, or actually Sora came up with this. Look at this. These are the exact images that I prompted the tool to create for me. And this is, all of these images are from AI. I didn't create this. It's mind-blowing. Look at this. It's insane. And here are the images or the videos that Sora came up with. Like, look, all of these guys on the balconies creating their own chicken coops. Look at this. It's not, look at that. This is mind-boggling. Let's see if our new video is generated. Still, it takes some time. Sometimes it might take more than usual because it depends on how flooded the network is and how many people are using Sora at the moment. So might take a bit more, but what I just showed you is exactly how I come up with all these ads. Look at this. And this is the prompt, by the way. So if I click the actual AI video of the guy assembling the chicken coop, we can see the prompt, and I'm gonna click edit prompt, and this is the prompt. Very simple prompt. A man on his balcony at his apartment is assembling a chicken coop. Simple, and the video is, I mean, this video is great. So yeah, we're not gonna wait for this to load. I mean, it takes too much time. But anyways, guys, this is kind of the pathway on how you can be successful with affiliate marketing. Always think out of the box. Always match your affiliate offers or niches to a current economy, either crisis or trend. Something that is trendy right now could be also good. For example, a couple of years ago, the paleo diet was trendy. A couple of years back, also the keto diet was trendy. Then the carnivore diet. You know, we have these trends. A couple of years ago, we saw the calisthenics exercises were trending, yoga trending. Okay, so look for current trends, look for people's desires, for people's fears, and try to tap into that. Brainstorm with yourself, brainstorm with Chad GPT. By the way, Chad GPT is, I mean, I've been using Chad GPT every single day for various different tasks, and it's now became my business partner. I would ask Chad GPT anything. I hope this video has been insightful for you. If it was, let me know in the comments below where you're at with your affiliate marketing journey currently. Have you tested something? Have you started? Let's spark the conversation. I want to talk to you. And by the way, if you want to learn more, you can join my free Facebook community. And I think it's one of the biggest ClickBank and affiliate marketing communities on Facebook. And it is called ClickBank Affiliate Marketing. And currently we are 40,000 people in it. So you can learn free stuff here by just joining. Again, it doesn't cost anything. You just join and that's it. And you can ask questions. Sometimes I'll post videos, like educational videos related or not related or dedicated only to the group community. So it's always a benefit to, you know, participate in specific groups. I currently have participated in many multiple Facebook communities related to digital marketing, making money online, email marketing, finances, copywriting, etc. So yeah, guys, let's rock and roll. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.